In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Cash App payments on Shopify. We're going to do this by using Shopify's built-in manual payment option, so your customers can choose Cash App at checkout and follow clear instructions to pay you. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin before we start. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin homepage where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. From here, we'll head into your settings so we can adjust your payment options. Look toward the bottom left of the screen and click on Settings. This opens a new page with different sections for your store, like general details, shipping, and payments. We're interested in how customers pay you, so on this page, click on Payments. The Payments page is where you manage everything related to checkout methods: credit cards, digital wallets, and manual payments. Scroll down until you see the section for manual payment methods. These are payment options where customers pay you outside of Shopify's automatic processes, and you confirm the payment manually. Click on Manual Payment Method. A list of predefined manual methods will appear. From that list, choose Cash on Delivery, often abbreviated as COD. We're going to customize this option so that instead of literally meaning cash on delivery, it will guide customers to pay via Cash App. Once you've selected Cash on Delivery, you'll see a configuration screen with some text fields. Click into the field labeled Additional Details. This is what customers will see at checkout when they choose this payment method, so we want it to be very clear. Type in instructions like this and customize the cash tag and link to your own details. Launch the Cash App application on your mobile device and transfer the exact sum displayed on this checkout page to the recipient with the cash tag you provide. Alternatively, you can click the provided link to proceed to your Cash App payment page. In Cash App's For or Add Notes section, include the full name you used when placing this order. This allows us to verify that the order belongs to you and begin processing it immediately. Next, click into the Payment Instructions field. This text appears on the order confirmation page and in some emails, so keep it simple and reassuring. Enter something like, "Upon receiving your Cash App payment, we will validate your order and notify you via email once it is being fulfilled." When you're happy with the wording, scroll down and click on Activate Cash on Delivery. This saves your settings and turns the option on. From now on, customers will see this method at checkout, and you can accept Cash App payments by confirming each transfer manually